So the challenge, one of our jumbo jets, 400 tons of aircraft. You're going to hit a ball from that tee above the wing, and you're going to try and hit the gong 160 yards away. One gong, one ticket.
That's the smallest gong I've ever seen in my life.
We'll give you a few goes.
This is quite breezy. It could be gong with the wind.
That's my guy.
I waited until it stopped raining. Crikey. Really. Everything's ground reaction.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is close.
Oh! That's not. Yes, Jamie, that's the one. No, it's not. Oh, yes! Get in!
I'll tell you what. Oh, the wind grabbed it.
Oh!
Best shot of the day.
Oh! Oh!
It's very wobbly up here.
So wobbly.
I could be here for the rest of my life. I wouldn't hit that.
Oh, Jamie.
Swing, bud.
Oh, Jamie.
That's it. Liking this.
Bang on. Come on, bounce. Come on, bounce. Come on, bounce. Come on!
Oh, dear.
Yeah, hit it. This is called it.
That's a good
Right,
one.
right, right.
Everyone.
Sure I heard it.